Greetings to all the viewers. We are conducting series of sessions based on basic chemistry MCQ questions. So in order to give the fundamental information regarding the chemistry, so that basic chemistry MCQ was framed and series of sessions conducted which are available at the channel Dr. KAVITHA Chemistry Academy. So in this session, the question is the Ortho-Para directing group among the following is, if you are taking aromatic ring system like benzene, upon the benzene already existing group, so will decide the position of incoming group, that is called the directing nature, right? So already existing group having the tendency to decide the position of incoming group, that is called the directing nature. Here Ortho-Para directing group is nothing but that is a ring activating group. Meta directing is the ring deactivating group. Ortho-Para directing having tendency to release the electrons into the ring. Meta directing group abstract the electrons from the ring. So this is the way there is the difference. So Ortho-Para directing group among the following: COOH if taken, that is the electron withdrawing nature, so that meta directing. Nitrile is also meta directing. This is the kind of ketonic functionality, obviously meta directing, so that here only the option left with the Ortho-Para directing is actually NH2 is having Ortho-Para directing nature, but if you're having this C double bond with CH3, most of the people will confuse for that. The ketonic functionality is a meta directing. That's the reason why option 4 is also the kind of meta directing they may think. But there is a provision. Actually, nitrogen directly linked to that benzene ring, having provision to release the electrons into the benzene ring system. But certainly, because of this ketonic functionality, the extent of electron release into the ring system got somewhat lowered. So but the correct answer will be there's option number 4 only. Let me show how can we explain this reason. Electron donating groups in the aromatic ring are called Ortho-Para directing in nature, and they are proceeded for the aromatic substitution process by the electrophilic nature. While electron withdrawing halogens, if ever present within the compound, they are Ortho-Para directing only, but there is certain extent of negativity over there, but they are also having tendency to release the electrons into the system, so that they are also the possibility for that Ortho-Para directing nature only. Ortho-Para directing group, they should have the partial negative charge in the Ortho-Para position. Whenever we are having that N-acetyl aniline, that nitrogen having provision to release the electrons into the benzene ring in this manner, that is generating negative electron density over the ortho and para positions respectively. If you observe the complete canonical structures, you can clearly observe the lone pair of electrons in the nitrogen are susceptible to release into the ring system, so that here the nitrogen to carbon double bond is located, and this pi bond is moving toward the carbon atom, so that this the position carbon acquiring the negative charge, and obviously it will move into the system and delocalization taken with the subsequent pi bond, and you can achieve the negative charge at the para position, and this will delocalize further and giving the negative in the next carbon, that is the again or the position. This is the manner. Whenever electron releasing group is existing upon the benzene ring, that obviously rise the electron density over the ortho and para position respectively. So here NHC double bond with CH3 the best example for this category, so that Ortho-Para directing nature is allocated for this N-acetyl amine functionality, that is accorded in the option number 4. For this question, option number 4 will be the correct answer. Thank you very much. Signing off, Dr. Kavitha Kothireddy Kota.